My name is Jasmine Jan and I live at Lambells Lagoon. I'm a watercolour artist as well as a glass artist, and I also dabble in sculpture, in ceramics and mixed media. My watercolour style is East-West fusion watercolours, so I'm looking at combining like Chinese brush painting and that Chinese sort of composition and design, but also using Western watercolour painting techniques. Of this 105 acres, this paperbark billabong takes up about 1/5 of the block, so it's about 20 acres worth. It's beautiful. I love going canoeing. There's no crocodiles in here. We go canoeing in here and I pick the water lilies, I paint the water lilies, I do bird watching on the billabong. It's where I get a lot of inspiration from for my artwork. It's quite stunning. I was born in the Northern Territory, so I was born in Darwin, and even as a child I was fascinated by wildlife. I guess I connect very much to the natural world. I started my early career as a zookeeper and I also worked in a museum, so I was surrounded by a lot of animals and plants. Probably one of the most significant animals that I've loved and enjoyed studying and painting is the saltwater crocodile. But the Northern Territory is actually filled with incredible endemic animals. So even in my gardens here on our property, we have rainbow pitters, all sorts of animals, lots of frogs and snakes. So it's kind of, I have this endless source of inspiration that I'm living in. Visit channelnt.com.au.